The original, the rest of them are in it.
But them cuss, but them go and complain. One up them pressure coming on it again.
Go on, you go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you a star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Welcome Sixers family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Alkaline Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Vybz Kartel latest release The Comet is causing problems in dancehall right now, and the fans of the Seven are celebrating as Plumpy Boss is out of hospital. Vybz Kartel return to dancehall has made a huge impact, and we can't deny that. The Comet is World Boss' first official song since his release. In the song, Kartel targets Alkaline, calling him an imitation while also taking jabs at other dancehall artists. The song is gaining views fast, even though YouTube might be freezing Vybz Kartel views, because at one point the likes and the comments outnumber the actual views. But I'm here to review the song, and that is what we will do. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos.
Yeah. All in a prison, me I make millions, me a talk about US dollar nigga. How about a big song, watch it fever? It's any gold and it's any silver. Me fuck your mother through the prison grill. Me fuck your girl through the prison.
So Vybz Kartel The Comet lyrics remind us that even during his time in prison, he was still earning millions in US dollars. World Boss want you to know that being behind bars did not stop him from selling gold and silver. After Fever is his biggest song in his career, and he got that song from behind bars while he was in captivity. Now Kartel is mocking other dancehall artists, because how many other dancehall artists have reached that same level of success in Kartel 12-year imprisonment? You can't really count on. You cannot count on 10 fingers, much less one, right? Kartel is warning dancehall artists that he's back and he's ready to reclaim his throne even from behind the grills. He was influential, you know what I mean? Him take your girl from behind bars and you know all these other things. So now that he's free, he's ready to dominate.
Forget a bit in your city, that's a couple milli US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them will never want people see me. Pussy wall who never want the judge free. But from me touch the microphone, you get if you can see me. Who no career cut short like Nicky Minnie.
Vybz Kartel said that promoters book him with US dollars, and if you're not talking US, then you cannot book him. World Boss want you to know that his price has now skyrocketed. Yesterday's price is not today's price. He's the man, the king of dancehall, the hero of the genre. Vybz Kartel also diss Alkaline and threw a shade at other dancehall artists who didn't want him to be freed. Now that he's back on the scene, Kartel knows their career will be overshadowed. Right? World Boss is suggesting that they won't be able to compete whatsoever now that he's dropping music again. It's a global takeover, because remember when Kartel was behind bars, Massacre was supposed to be the man who is going to take over the dancehall and do the thing. Now that Kartel is back, does Kartel, return, ends Massacre reign? Let me know in the comment section.
The original, the rest of them are in it. Prison did that, but out I run the heat worse. Me have me one opinion, no need yours. The internet a cost me about, me fi feature. Some of them are sassy, them and some are set a niche. Let go me t-shirt.
Again, Vybz Kartel this Alkaline and call out Alkaline, accusing Alkaline of copying his style early in his career. While Alkaline has carved out his own part in the music over the years, that mimicry will always be a stain on Alkaline career. Vybz Kartel further touches on the scrutiny he faces ever since his release from prison, with people offering their opinion on his life and relationships. Some suggest that Kartel should return back to Shorty, while others suggest that stay with Sidem because she's a current partner and she is loyal. Kartel dismissed all these opinions, stating that he's content with his choices and people need to stop trying to dictate his life. You see me?
Remember say ya one burner me turn. When me fiddle, let go her and keep her. Yeah, controversy start from the teacher return.
Vybz Kartel is now a one burner, loyal to one woman, and that is Sidem. Kartel is basically admitting that in the past he had multiple relationships, including other baby mother, while he was with Shorty. However, prison has changed him, teaching him the importance of loyalty and devotion to his queen. Kartel is now focused on his future with Sidem, brushing off all of the controversy surrounding his return and his relationship. Now, what people need to know is the Comet is the rebirth of the king, and the king is here to stay. One world boss, you see me, one Gaza nation. They say it there. Like the video, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend that Vybz Kartel just dropped his first song ever since his release. Let me know in the comment section, you know, how much you would rate this song out of 10, or, you know what I mean? Just let me know your honest opinion if this is it or this is not. In my opinion, this is just a warm up, you know what I mean, to the many songs that will be dropping for the ladies. Something more slower, something more faster, something more, you know what I mean, in between all of these other, you know, tempo and vibe. Kartel, we just know that World Boss will be giving it to the fans, and when that album drop, a different thing, you see me? Alright, so great news for Trinidad and the 7. Plumpy Boss has been discharged from the hospital after being shot in the head with a bullet lodged in his brain. He was airlifted from St. Martin to Trinidad for emergency surgery, and the doctors successfully removed the bullet. Despite early reports claiming that he was left in a vegetative state, Plumpy Boss is now able to move his fingers and his feet and has begun speaking again, you know, though he's in a wheelchair, and he will need to do extensive physical therapy to regain full mobility. In his recovery, nothing is short of miraculous, I would say. Fans can expect to see Plumpy Boss back in the studio soon once his vocals fully return. Though his journey to full recovery will take time, nevertheless, the progress he's made is a blessing, right? I will continue to provide updates on his condition. Plumpy Boss will be needing his security details to secure him, so do not be surprised if you see Prezzi 7 have the best bodyguard with a stellar track record of successfully protecting your favorite artist, Johnny Bravo, being summoned by the 7 to make sure that the artist is safe, because remember, it's the lack of security details as to why what happened to Plumpy Boss happened, and we wouldn't want to see the artist, you know what I mean, not being protected by actual professionals and just a friend of a friend or a friend around him, you know what I mean? So big up Plumpy Boss, and you know the dog is back on street again. Let me know in the comment section if you thought that Plumpy Boss would have made you know this amazing recovery, moving his feet, talking, moving his fingers and all these other things, and all the tech right now is just therapy and just gradual improvements. So that's the video for today. Big up Vybz Kartel, big up Plumpy Boss.
Sure. In the Alkaline section, the Black Cartel section, you know, we are feeling a jersey. We are feeling a little, you know, there you have the section, the wire section, and we are feeling a camouflage. Then we are feeling a rosy chain section there with it. Yo, Jay, trust man, people, just believe me, man. Be there. That's all they need for them. Be there. Trust me. Right now, me and Kim every day. I know when I do gym. So, people, we're not going to love that performance. Remember, 3 hours, you know, and we are split it up, as I tell you. You have the Black Cartel, the Brown Cartel, the Bleach Out Cartel, the Prison Cartel, the Cartel we want with Movado.
Lego me t-shirt.
But she does say.
Lego me t-shirt.
And you know, thank you for watching. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.